ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. This is the part 5 of Kannada Grammar. I hope you have seen till part 4. Part 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ we were working on the vibhakthi prathyaya, right? The few of the examples. Now we will continue the examples of a vibhakthi pratyaya in this video also, in today's class also. Fine. So let's take an example. So today the examples are the words with the relation. So ಯಾವ words ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? We are looking into the words amma, mother, appa, father, akka, elder sister, anna, elder brother, tamma, younger brother, and we also look into tangi, which is younger sister, ajji, grandmother, ajja, grandfather, or ajja can also be. I'll take one more word, that is a tata. Okay, first we'll look into the word amma. So for the word amma, if I add oo, enagutte. So that is what we are going to learn now. Okay, I'll make a different column here. Okay, so first ಏನide, I have a woo, annu, inda, then I have a ge, ke, ige. I'll leave the fifth one, then I'll go with the sixth, seventh one is ali. I'm skipping the 5 and the 8 ali. So my first word is amma. Okay na? So for the word amma, if I add u enagutte, so it will become ammanu. So which is the incoming letter? Na. Ammage, if I add annu, then it will become ammanannu. Then amma plus inda, ammaninda, amma nige, I'm adding ige, ammana, ammanalli. So what is that letter that you are observing here? So throughout the set you are observing the letter N, right? So there is an inclusion of a na here. So I have, instead of a o, I have a nu. So which is the incoming letter? The incoming letter is a n. So o will become a nu, annu will become nannu, inda will become ninda. Here instead of a e, it's a nige, n, nalli. Artha aita? So this is how it will change. Okay na? So now you have to try for appa. Appa enagutte? Appanu, appanannu, appaninda, appanige, appana, appanalli. Okay na? So try similarly for akka, anna, tamma also. And you can also try for ajja. But these two, it will change. Ajji and tangi will change. Why it will change? If you observe all these words, amma, appa, akka, anna, tamma, ajja, tata, all these words, the sound of the word ends with a sounding. Ends with a, right? Amma, a, appa, a, tamma, a. But in the case of a tangi and ajji, the word ends with the letter sound e. So it's quite different. We'll look into that difference in the next class. So today in this class, try to complete all the remaining examples and take a photo, and you can email to me for yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. You can also try for the different words. There is also one more difference that we are going to see. If you observe this is a relation. So we have a pullinga, strilinga. So what is pullinga? Pullinga is a masculine, strilinga is a feminine. So we have only those kind of words here. We don't have a animal names here. We don't have a napumsakalinga. We don't have a things here, right? So that is what we are going to learn in tomorrow's class. So today's class will work on only these things. You can also try for one more word, mava, atte, chikkappa, doddappa, chikkamma, doddamma. All these things you can give a try and you can let me know. And remember all the things that whatever we have done is singular, is ekavachana. Again, it will change with the bahuvachana. Comment in the comment section what is the bahuvachana form for amma, appa, akka, anna, all these things. We have already covered the bahuvachana, ekavachana. So now it's your turn. Give me the answers in the comment section. Okay na? So artha agide ankotini. Doubt idre nanage heli comment section alli comment ಮಾಡಿ. I'll see you in the next video. Tomorrow class alli make sure that you have to complete the exercises. Okay? See you in the next class. Thank you so much. Namaste. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.